The SmartDraw ERD extension generates a visual representation of your database automatically. First, you'll want to export your data from your database. We have some scripts on our website that you can use for the most common database types, from SQL to Oracle. Once you have a CSV file from your database, you're ready to generate your database diagram, or ERD. From within SmartDraw, choose the Automatic ERD option from the Extensions category. In the modal, click Browse and find your table definition CSV file. Next, you'll want to select the columns and types you want to visualize. Then, click Build Diagram. The database diagram is now generated and is fully editable.